Hi everyone. We have new lesson in Unit 3 is Lesson 2. Talk about plants in Egypt. Let's start together. Rose, rose, rose. Now we will talk about a type of flowers. The first we have rose, rose. Sunflower, sunflower. Also here you can divide the word to two syllables, sun and flower. Sunflower. Lotus flower, lotus flower. So we have rose, sunflower, lotus flower, rose, sunflower, lotus flower, rose, sunflower, lotus flower. Bean plant, bean plant. Tamarex, tamarex, tamarex. It's type of tree. Reed, reed, reed. So we have bean plant, tamarex, reed. Bean plant, tamarex, reed. Bean plant, tamarex, and reed. Orange tree, orange tree, orange tree. Acacia, acacia tree, acacia tree. This tree, especially the leaves of this tree, sort the water inside the leaves. Many animals uh, live on eat these leaves, especially in some area without more water, because acacia tree has flat or big flat leaf sorted water inside it. Daisy, daisy flower, daisy, daisy. So we have orange tree, acacia tree, and daisy. Orange tree, acacia tree, daisy. Orange tree, acacia tree, daisy. Plant habitat. We have different habitat here in Egypt, and also every one of this habitat has an own plant. Not, you can't find all the type of the plants in one only habitat. They are different habitat with different weather, so we have different habitat, we have different plants. The first one we talk about agriculture habitat. Agriculture habitat. Agriculture habitat. Farmers work here, they grow food for us to eat. Of course, the agriculture habitat, we would talk about farm, and farmers work here and they grow food for us to eat. This is about agriculture habitat. Think about this habitat. What type of plant you can find in this habitat? We will see. Next, the next habitat is rivers and lakes. Rivers and lakes. Plants near rivers and lakes need a lot of water. Of course, plants near rivers and lakes need a lot of water to grow. So, rivers and lakes, this is the second kind of habitat. The third one is desert habitat. Desert habitat. Very dry and hot, and there is no water enough. There is no much rain here. Plants that live in the desert don't need a lot of water. Do you remember like what? Of course, like camel, like green gazelle. Excellent. So desert habitat, there is no much rain here. Okay. Where do these plants live? We will talk about the plants and their habitat. Yes, the plants and the habitat. The first one we have here, lotus flower. Lotus flower and reed. Lotus flower and reed. We will find it in rivers and lakes. So, lotus flower and reed need more water to grow. We will find it in rivers or lakes habitats. Lotus flower and reed. Bean plant and orange tree. يعني take a minute to think where is the habitat? Of course, in the agriculture habitat. We will find food, vegetables and fruit in agriculture habitat. Bean plant and orange tree. Tamarix and acacia. Tamarix and acacia, they're in desert habitat. Desert habitat. There, I talk about acacia first. I told you that acacia stored the water inside the leaves. So it's like a camel, stored water. So the best habitat is desert. Now we will remember together about the comparative. The comparative, it will be, and superlative also. We talk here about adjectives. We use the adjectives to make a comparative between two objects or two person. So we have here, if we have short adjective, I mean short word adjective, I should add er to the adjective and write the word then after the adjective with er. For example, here we have, the rose is taller than the daisy. The sunflower is more beautiful than the cactus. Now, we talk about short adjective, okay? If I have short adjective like tall, small, big, fat, fit, large, and whatever, we should add er to the adjective and write the word then after the adjective with er letter. But if I have long adjective like beautiful, now I can't add er to the word beautiful because it's very long. It's difficult to pronunciate it. So we will write the word more before the adjective and we will write the word than after the adjective. For example, here we have the sunflower is more beautiful than the cactus. This is beautiful, long adjective. I can't add er, but I can use the word more before and the word than after. After what? After the adjective word. Okay? Okay. Now, we talk about superlative. If I talk about superlative, I talk about one opposite group. I need the um, I need to make a superlative. I use a superlative. Here we have also an adjective. We talk first about short adjective. About short adjective like fast. For example, it's a very short word. You should write the article the before the adjective and add est to the adjective. I need example. I have here the adjective fast. It will be the fastest. I write the article the before the adjective and add est to the adjective. Okay. I have here some adjective. We will play with it. If my adjective is a small adjective or a small word or short word with three letter and and the word ending with consonant letter and after the come before the consonant vowel letter, we will double the consonant like the adjective big. Big here it will be the biggest. I'll double the G and add est. And also here, if my adjective ending with letter E, I just add st. And also if my adjective ending with Y letter, you should have look to the letter come uh, before the letter Y. If this letter is consonant, you will convert it or change or omit letter Y and write I and add est. For example, here heavy, it will be heaviest. I change Y to I and add est. Now we have some adjective here. The giraffe is the tallest animal. The cheetah is the fastest animal. The turtle is the slowest animal. My cat is the nicest in our street. So look here, we write the word the and add the letters est to the adjective. The tallest, the fastest, the slowest, the nicest. Oh, we have finished and it's time to say goodbye.